on the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song. Let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is some old restored NASA rocket footage.
I love rockets. Can we see some bullshit in it, Daddy?
Yeah, let's have a look.
Bye-bye, pieces of shit. Bye.
I love old footage.
Yeah, me too, Daddy. Let's have a look.
Yeah, let's watch it a little bit. Oh look, Jacko, it's polycarbonate helmets. They become moldable above 120 degrees Celsius.
They will blow up, Daddy?
Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here. This is Houston, we've had a main beam unflammable.
Yeah, they will blow up in space, and they did spacewalks with those. Very dangerous. Let's see. I love it. Space. The final frontier.
Can I have a look at the older footage, Daddy?
Okay, let's have a look. Here they go into the truck. Yeah, and here they drive away. I like the older footage more, Jekko.
Yeah, you can always find bullshit on all the footage.
Let me see. Let's play it.
The pad, but this morning it took almost twice that long. Even with
here they're going to the rocket.
Got into quite a little bit of traffic. They did finally arrive at 39A, about just a couple of minutes late. There the van backs up.
Do you see that, Daddy?
What? What must I see?
On the back of the truck.
Hold on, let me go back a little bit. You mean this one?
Yeah. Can you see it, Daddy?
No, I don't see it.
The round sticker.
This one?
Yeah, it's not visible on the other one.
Huh? What you talk about?
Here, Daddy, look. When the sky opened the door, the sticker is suddenly gone. Look, Daddy. Look at this shit. I see a sticker here.
Yeah, you're right, Jekko. There is a logo on the back of the door, and here it's missing. Which one is the after production?
I don't know, Daddy. They both look shit.
Cage elevator of the permanent structure and takes them up a couple of floors to the second level. Then out of that cage and across a few feet through a large hatch in the permanent launch structure down a...
Daddy, do you see it?
I see what?
On the sky's back. The sticker.
Huh? Let's check it out. Oh, yeah, this one don't have a patch on his back. There's only one person here, I cannot see another one. That's a good spot, Jekko.
have bird's eyes.
Hatch in the perimeter.
When the last man go in, there's somebody at the door here, this guy.
Nobody here, Daddy.
Yeah, see, there is nobody here. And here is standing somebody at the door. It's a little bit weird. I see nobody. Is this guy holding open the door or so?
I don't know, Daddy.
Where is this guy? I don't see it, Jacko.
No, it's different footage.
There is nobody here.
What is this, Daddy?
This is some carton box lunar lander.
Oh, yeah, it looks like tin foil.
Yeah, it's something about that. Something like that. Let's have a look. To this. Shadows. Look, he's gonna boogie woogie. Look, the shadow of his legs. And this shadow from this pole. You see that, Jacko?
Yeah, it's totally off. Different directions.
Yeah, totally off. Piece of shit. Here, another shadow. We got three different directions. See that?
Yeah, it's retarded.
Look, the shadow here. This direction, and this direction. You see that? It's all bullshit. It's fake.
Yeah, a blind man can see that, Daddy. Anyways, bye-bye, piece of shit. Bye.
The flight we were oriented valedictory about that.
I don't know who did that.